How satisfied were you selling your home with Nick?
I was very satisfied. He got me top dollar on my home. He marketed it really well, and he got it pre-home certified.
And how did Nick ensure he would market your home to his audience?
Well, when I signed on with him, he showed me videos that he had already put out for previous sales through Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So I knew that he knew how to reach a wider audience. So then I was confident. I knew that he was going to do the same for my home.
How did Nick get your home pre-owned certified?
Okay, so he arranged for an inspector to come to my home. The inspector was here for about 2 hours and did a thorough inspection from everything from, the electrical, the walls, even outdoor, checking the fence and the gate and everything. So he did that, and then once he found a few areas that needed some correcting, the following week a team was here to do those repairs. And once the repairs were done, the home was pre-home certified.
And why would you recommend someone else to do the same?
Well, what it does is it lets the buyer know that everything has been looked after with the house. So it gives them the confidence that they know they can just set out that purchase price, make that offer, and they don't have to worry about any repairs.
Would you recommend Nick to someone you know?
Yep, definitely. He knows how to market. He knows how to get you top dollar. So if you want that high price for your home, yes, go with Nick.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
Yes. At first, I was a little bit hesitant with having my home staged. I didn't really see the value in it. I just thought, well, I'll just shift around some of my own furniture. But I want to do a shout out to Jesse Barone, who convinced me that no, staging is a really good thing. It helps people to visualize the home and opens up the spaces in the home. So I did do that, and I think it also contributed to me getting that higher price.